Sounds not available on Instagram Reels video after download, problem solved. If you've been creating Instagram Reels and suddenly notice that the sounds aren't available after downloading your video, you're definitely not alone. Many users have reported this issue. It can be super frustrating when you want to reuse a sound or music from your previous videos, but don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem and get your sounds working again after downloading Instagram Reels. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's check if the sound is still available within the Instagram app. Go to your Instagram and make sure you're logged into your account. Go to the reel sections on your Instagram. It will be over in the middle, and find the video you downloaded and see if the sound is still visible and clickable. To make sure everything works properly, always download your Instagram reel using the app's built-in download. Now tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the reel and simply click on save to your device, or simply click on download. Here, as you can see, download. Now here's where the issue might happen. After downloading the video, you might notice that the sound doesn't show up in the downloaded file. This could be because Instagram doesn't always include the sound in the video file after it's been downloaded. Now here's a quick fix. Instead of downloading the reel directly, you can simply re-upload the video to your Instagram story or private post like this and on your Instagram story. Now once you've added the video in the story, now you can see here the music has been added over here as well. Now to simply download it, simply click on the three dots and simply download it, and the Reels video will be downloaded with the sound. And that's it. That's how you can simply download your Instagram Reels with a sound.